Snowpocalypse, day 2. We are currently in Chris's Dodge. We are en route to a building Joe has a maintenance contract with. They have no heat. So we're trying to do this as carefully as possible. We're not just out, riding around rogue.
I mean, like, just to put it in perspective, none of this was here, what, 72 hours ago?
48 hours ago. Monday night's when this all started.
Yeah, this is pretty crazy.
Is 24 hours worth of snow. Yeah. 36 hours, however you want to look at it. This is insane. Okay. See the pipes up there?
Yeah, yeah.
Let me top a picture now. Okay. Look at that. And like, these people ain't gonna get out to nothing, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll forward a little bit. And we're gonna go up and to the left. Wow. We're gonna have to get on the roof. Oh, we apparently can't go that way. Yeah. He's up over that way. Oh. We're gonna have to get on the roof and shovel the roofs off. I don't know. And like, even doing that, it's just gonna drift back over.
Mm-hmm. We're supposed to get another hit tonight.
Yeah, we're supposed to get plowed in. You know what I mean? Like, that's the thing. Like, if we don't do any, like.
Wow.
Fucking semi stuck right in front of their
Fire hall.
Fire hall.
I don't know how these freaking patrol cars are even getting around.
Right?
Okay, he had a Tahoe. I get how that can happen, but.
What a mess.
Woo, baby! Oh man, that's so tight.
Nice to get. They're just shoving all this snow.
That's all they can do.
That's all they can do, yeah.
Hammer game out 25 Buffalo Street, Creek on Heights, outside in the snow. A female, elderly female fell.
That person just didn't know where the road was no more.
Yeah. Great. I mean, it's just car after car, and it's like trucks and cars. And
Oh, yeah.
no one's safe. So we're making it back into town. It was an eventful day. We got out there. It's not good.